No. Hi, welcome to my new blog. Today, we're here at Sacred Heart Center.
New blog.
We're here at E. Benedicto. Ezekiel Benedicto.
Ezekiel din na.
No, keep quiet lang.
Taka.
No.
Enrique na eh.
House number 23 and house number 19. This is E. Benedicto Street. And this is going to Queensland Manor.
So napasok na ko na rin ballpen.
No.
It's not E in
No.
Enrique.
Keep quiet, love. Keep quiet, love. Keep quiet. And this is going to Queensland Manor. The guard is not very strict. This is Queensland Manor. Gate number 37 and gate 34 and gate 27. This is Sikatuna Street. Left turn na. Left turn na.
Uy, Ezekiel, buot-buot. Basta nga, oh. Google, good. Emilia.
Emilia din.
No. Correction.
What's the meaning of E?
No.
E? Mil?
Emilia.
Emilia,
E-M-I-L-I.
ha?
Emilia Benedicto.
Nobody will listen
No.
to your blog na.
No.
You're making full
No.
fun.
Oh.
This
Wrong.
is
That's a wrong
Wrong
information.
information.
this is D. Hakosalem Street.
Diba ako kung Enrique na. Yan.
No.
Ilan din papa. Ilan
No.
mama. Emilia.
Quiet. This is it's still D. Hakosalem Street. Left turn na. We're here at Arlandon Street. You're already a tall guy. Tall guys can understand. We're here at Arlandon Street.
Sa F. Ramos. What's the meaning of it?
Fructoso
Ah,
Ramos.
very good.
Quiet
Sakto siya.
Quiet up.
What about R London? R.
We're here at Robert Landon.
Robert.
Quiet up.
Robert.
Okay, quiet lang. No.
Are you sure Robert
No,
London?
no.
Check mommy, ha?
No. Hakuna Matata. We're here at Arlandon Street.
In Robert London.
No. This is Robert Landon. Quiet up. Quiet up. Quiet up. Quiet up. This is Arlandon Street.
What's the meaning of the
No, no.
Jerusalem?
No.
D.
Quiet up.
Daniel? Daniel Jerusalem?
Quiet up. Not talking. This is CNU School, Cebu Normal University, the School of Mari.
And Joshua.
No,
And Joshua.
no. Come on. Shut up. We're here at Jones Avenue. Oh, that's it. This is Police Regional Office 7, Camp Sirio Osmeña.
Hey, what's the meaning of
Senior.
Hakosalemda?
No.
What's the meaning of the
Dionisio Hacosalem.
Dionisio?
Dionisio Hacosalem. No,
Really?
no. This is Jones Avenue. Boy face disgust. Royalty-free images. This is Jones Avenue. Send me out there.
Dionisio din daw.
No. That's okay.
Dan Emilia, huh?
Emilia.
Dan Fructoso, you're right.
This is Visayas Med City Center. This is Visayas Med Hospital.
What's the meaning of Embeles daw? M?
No, no,
M is Manuel o Marshall?
no,
Nag-ingon siya Marshall.
no. This is Jones Avenue. How to use a handsaw. Back to basics. Hands to yourself. This is Crown Regency Hotel and Towers. And this is going to Metrobank Plaza. This is Jones Avenue. Oh,
What's
that's
the meaning of M daw? Sa Embeles?
Manuel Velez. No. This is the Circle of Fuente Osmeña.
Who's the new mayor of Cebu now? The new
No, no.
mayor.
Ay, shut it up. Do not talk. Do not talk. This is the Circle of Fuente Osmeña.
Yes, yes.
S. There's plenty of sick persons in Cebu Doctors Hospital. This is going to executive pension. This is going to Cebu Gospel Church. No. This is Cebu Doctors University Hospital. This is Cebu Gospel Church. Adventure is a wonderful thing. Wood glue is used for the carpenter. This is Dr. Gary B. Rivera's clinic. It's still Osmeña Boulevard. Be patient always. This is Capitol. That's it, buddy. Isotela.
Sugal na ko. Hindi ko miyak.
No, not talking.
with the